So today we are looking at this yellow bike. We're going to take a bike trip to the subway station. So I wanted to show you first of all how to use the yellow bikes, and then secondly my journey to the station. So first I need to open my phone, find the Meituan app. Lots of pop-ups. Open the scanner. Then you have to scan the QR code. So then the bike unlocks and it starts to count down, and you pay for how long you use it. Okay, so let's put the phone away. I'm going to put the camera right there. Hopefully it will keep recording. And here we go. So we can now get on the bike. Adjust the seats. So we need to get across this junction, although there's usually nothing coming from this side. Waiting. There's a motorbike. Someone coming this way. Let's just jump across. There we go. This area is roadworks at the moment because they're building a new subway station just to my left. So I'm going to try and get down into the cycle lane. Go. Bumpy. So it's about a 10-minute cycle ride to the nearest subway station. Obviously when this new one is open, that will be much more convenient. Here we go. Lovely day today, beautiful clear blue skies. A bit windy. That's okay. These yellow bikes are found all over the major cities. Very convenient, bit of exercise too. This is a bit of a blind corner, sometimes things come the other way and you might find vehicles just parked on the side of the road and you've got to go out into the road. So it's the steelworks on our right where they make things out of steel. Coming up this onto the main road proper. Over there is someone on the roof with a wheelbarrow. This is the bus stop. So I could take the bus to the subway station, but cycling's more fun when the weather's nice. Right, coming up to some traffic lights. Bikes don't always wait at traffic lights, but we've gone green, so now we can go. lots of hazards to watch out for, parked vehicles, things coming the other way, pedestrians. And you get a lovely wide stretch of road like this with nothing on it. Lovely. Here we go under the bridge. People selling motorbike gear. This is the only uphill section on the route. Not particularly steep and not for very long, but it's a Saturday here around midday at the moment. Roads aren't too busy. It is now late autumn, as you can see. The trees losing their leaves, turning yellow. Up to the next junction. These lights stay green, you can just go straight on. I'm selling durian. Not like that fruit. Now in China, you can turn right on a red light. Not the same as the UK. I know there are certain other countries that allow that, but it does mean you've always got to keep your eyes open at junctions. So just be aware of that, whether you're walking, cycling, or even driving. Another bus stop. These lights are about to turn red, but there isn't a road on the right, so we can just go through it. Building work going on over there, putting in some more high-rise buildings. Right, here we've got someone just walking up the road. Meanwhile, I've got bikes coming on my left side. Parked cars on the inside. Puddles to watch out for. Petrol station over there. Another green light straight through. Lots of people walking on the roads, but then you can see the pavement is full of parked cars. So you don't really have much of a choice. However, all the road users are aware of this situation, so it's very normal. trying to avoid a bit of a valley in the road. I am looking behind me when I pull out so that the camera's on my chest, so that's not going to move. Right, this junction is the subway station, so we're going to wait here for the green man. Alright, so now there's a green man, cars crossing on the red, which is fine. We need to kind of go diagonally across. Oh dear, what's this guy doing? He's still a green man for crossing, but cars aren't stopping. This bike's coming backwards. We're going to see if we can get around here. So we're trying to go up this road. Here we are. Okay. Right, this is the car park for the subway station, so I'm just going to park my bike here on the right. Here we are. So to finish the ride, park the bike in a suitable place.